Welcome to another edition of Miami Art Week. Today is December 2nd, 2025, and we are very close to the main venue of this Miami Art Week. The main venue is Art Basel. You can see the sign right there. Signs are everywhere throughout all the city, or at least the area where the fair is gonna be taking place. Right now I'm on 17th Street, and this is let me see, 17th Street and Meridian Avenue. On my right side, if I make it right here, you guys will have Lincoln Road, the very popular boardwalk. Lincoln Road, very popular in South Beach. And on my left side, I have one of the art fairs, which is Design Miami. It's an art fair dedicated more to the design industry, with a lot of furniture. There are some art too, but mainly sculptures and furniture and heavyweight artworks, heavyweight monumental sculptures. That's behind that building over there. Behind me is south. On the right side, where that car is going, it's gonna be east. That side is gonna be north, and that side is gonna be west. All right, so let's take a look while we're waiting for the light to cross the street. Wait. So I'm gonna show you. I think that street name is Celia Cruz. Was named it like I don't exactly know when was that name given, but we'll see as we approach it there. These are big garage, so you can park over there, or you can park in one of the other garage on 17th Street. That one is closer and wider than the one behind this building, which is next to the Design Miami. I highly recommend the other one, the one that is corner the city. You have to cross the street, and then you have that garage there. Okay, this is the south side of Design Miami. There's no entrance there. This space is dedicated to the offloading trucks, but that was already done. Remember, this is December 2nd, and the fair kicks off tonight for a special presentation, VIP clients, I believe. And then you see that building over there, that's Art Basel, the main fair, which is taking place in Miami Beach Convention Center, right? And it's like the big one. I would say the one with the more significant art galleries throughout the world. And then you will have in the following videos some of those galleries and its works, the works that they have brought to the fair for this year, 2025, Art Basel Miami Beach edition. Right? This is 18th Street, and then I think the address for that building is on I think it's called Convention Center Drive. You can Google it, like you can type Miami Beach Convention Center, and on my right side here I'm gonna show you that building over there. That's the garage that I highly recommend to use if you guys come and visit throughout the weekend. This Art Basel kicks off tomorrow night, December the 3rd, and this is like a huge event. See the front entrance, Art Basel here, and then next to it, just right in front of it, the entrance of Design Miami. All right. This is 19th Street. 19th Street. And this is already inside. You can see the diversity of the artworks and the galleries, all the proposals, different businesses, different clients are bringing into the Art Basel 2025 Miami Beach edition. There's a lot of activities going on throughout the weekend. I mean, the rest of the week and the weekend. You are able to see a lot of people walking, setting up their booth. It's a really great atmosphere, very dynamic, people going in and out, painters, art dealers, artists, art handlers. It's a great experience for an art handler and for an art dealer having being attending to this kind of events. And I'd like you to subscribe and This
follow
me.
and
They have
like the content we create here.
headquartered
This is
in
one
Havana.
example. See, this is one
Continua.
of the galleries
Havana,
in
Beijing,
the space,
Italy,
in
Rome,
our
Sao
Basel
Paulo, and
2025.
Paris.
I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you enjoy the weekend. If you
This is
have the
pretty
chance
nice.
to
They
attend
have
to
good
this
artworks.
event, it would be great.
I don't know where they get
This
the
is
money from
another
Havana, but
great artwork,
you know,
very
very
conceptual
contemporary.
artwork
And
during our Basel 2025. The fair kicks
it's
off
pretty nice.
on December the 3rd, and it will be
The
like
textures.
a lot of people
It's a
attending.
cardboard.
So just plan ahead,
That's pretty
plan
nice.
ahead, find a good parking.
I think they have like a couple of
properly
Cuban
because,
guys
as we
based
are
in
in
Havana,
December,
and they work for
the
them.
weather is still like
Today
hot
is the last day
and
of
humid throughout these days.
you know, the
Look
installation,
at
and I
a
think
lot
the
of
opening is
equipments
tomorrow.
that different contractors are being using to set up the multiple stands, the multiple booths in this year. In comparison,
It's
with
been a
the
good
last
experience
year,
here.
I've seen
You know,
like a
I'm pretty
high
tired,
volume
but
of
you know,
art,
good
a high
hours,
volume of,
make some money.
art galleries,
Whatever.
bringing
Okay, man.
a lot
See you
of
later.
pieces,
Bye-bye.
taking advantage of the
That's
space.
so
And
nice,
look
bro.
at this work.
What is that?
This is made of cardboard. I was shocked. I was impressed by this spectacular work.
Made of
You
cardboard.
can find it
That's
in one
really
of the
nice.
sections in our Basel Convention Center 2025.
It's like a 3D.
I hope you guys